Welcome back to our series. Myself Milan Patil, and as you know, we are doing our MCQ series. We are doing MCQ in biology. Let's begin with the part 2. I have the first question here. One of the following organism can live without oxygen of air. This organism is amoeba, yak, yeast, or leech. One of the following organisms can live without oxygen means they undergo anaerobic respiration. So which of the following is undergoing anaerobic respiration? We know that among these, yeast undergo anaerobic respiration. So the correct answer is option C. Let us move on to question number 2. During respiration, the exchange of gases take place in bronchi, alveoli, bronchioles, and trachea. Which of the following is a site of exchange of gases in human respiratory system? It is alveoli, and the correct option is B. Let us move on to question number 3. When air is blown from mouth into a test tube containing lime water, the lime water turns milky due to presence of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, or water vapor. What is lime water? Lime water is nothing but calcium hydroxide. So when we blow carbon dioxide gas into calcium hydroxide, it becomes milky. And when we blow out, that is, we are exhaling carbon dioxide rich air. And we know that carbon dioxide, when passes to lime water, it turns milky. And the correct answer is option number B. Question number 4. Which of the following is the correct sequence of air passage during inhalation? Nostril, larynx, to pharynx, to trachea, or to lungs? B. Nasal passage, trachea, pharynx, larynx, alveoli. C. Larynx, nostril, pharynx, lung. Or D. Nostril, pharynx, larynx, trachea, alveoli. Yes, the correct option is D. That is, our air will start passing into the nostril first, then it will goes into the pharynx, then larynx, then trachea, the air pipe, and then the alveoli. We have the fifth question as lack of oxygen in muscle often lead to cramps in the legs of sprinter. Lack of oxygen in muscle often lead to cramps in the legs of sprinters. This is due to conversion of pyruvate to ethanol, carbon dioxide, acetic acid, or lactic acid. The muscle cramps is nothing but muscles are undergoing anaerobic respiration, and during anaerobic respiration, lactic acid is produced. So the correct answer is D. Question number 6. During the deficiency of oxygen in the tissue of human being, pyruvic acid is converted into lactic acid in cytoplasm, chloroplast, or mitochondria. Cytoplasm, chloroplast, or mitochondria. The correct answer is A. Cytoplasm. Let's move on to next questions. Yeah, question number 7. Which of the following statements are true about respiration? During inhalation, lips move inward and diaphragm is raised. The gaseous exchange takes place in the alveoli. Hemoglobin has greater affinity for carbon dioxide than oxygen. Alveoli increase surface area for the exchange of gases. During inhalation, lips move outward, not inward. So this is wrong. We have to find out which are true. Gaseous exchange take place in alveoli. This is correct. Let's move on to next one. We have hemoglobin has greater affinity for carbon dioxide than oxygen. This is wrong. Hemoglobin helps to bind in oxygen. Alveoli increases surface area for exchange of gas. So this is correct. So second and fourth is correct. Let's check the option. A, first and fourth, second and third, first and fourth, third, and second and fourth. So the correct option is D. Question number 8. Which of the following is known as the energy currency of cell in the biology? It is DTP, TDP, ATP or DDT. It is nothing but ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate. Question number 9. Two organisms which breathe only through their moist skin are fish and frog, frog and earthworm, leech and earthworm, fish and earthworm. We know that leech and earthworm, these two breathe through their moist skin. So the correct answer is C. Question number 10. One of the following animal does not use trachea as respiratory organ. This animal is grasshopper, prawn, mosquito or cockroach. In prawns, there are no tracheal system. So answer is B. Let us move on to question number 11. During rigorous physical exercise, lactic acid is formed from glucose inside the muscle cell because there is a lack of oxygen, there is lack of water, there is excess of carbon dioxide, none of the above. We know that during rigorous exercise, lactic acid is formed because there is a lack of oxygen. That is, lactic acid is a product of anaerobic respiration which muscles are undergoing during rigorous exercise. So correct answer is A, lack of oxygen. Let us move on to next set of questions. Yeah, question number 12. The following changes take place in an athlete's body during a 100-meter race. Which change occurs first? Increase availability of oxygen to muscle, increase breathing rate, increase carbon dioxide concentration in the blood, increase production of carbon dioxide by muscle. Which of the following activity will take place in the body of an athlete when he is doing a 100-meter race? So the correct answer is D, that is increased production of carbon dioxide by muscles. Let us move on to question number 30. The process of conversion of glucose into pyruvic acid occurs in mitochondria, cytoplasm, outside the cell, chloroplasm. Yes, it is taking place in the cytoplasm. So B. Question number 14. Which process occurring in human body does not involve energy from respiration, contraction of heart muscle, diffusion of oxygen from alveoli into the blood, digestion of bread, or maintaining a constant body temperature? Which of the following processes occurring in human body does not involve energy from respiration? The correct answer is B, diffusion of oxygen from alveoli into the blood. Question number 15. The rate at which oxygen moves from the alveoli of a lung into our blood depends on difference in oxygen concentration between alveoli and blood, depends on the color of alveoli, depends on availability of energy to transport gases across the membrane, none of the above. Rate at which oxygen moves from alveoli of our lungs into the blood depends on difference in concentration in oxygen. So the correct answer is option number A. Thank you.